Let's start off with question number 56 today. In question number 56, it has been said that if the pth, qth, rth term of a geometric progression are x, y, and z, then q minus r into log of x plus r minus p into log of y plus p minus q into log of z is equal to option A is 0, option B is 1, option C is 2, and option D is none of these. So let us take that the geometric progression is of the format A, and let us take that the common ratio is equal to, we can take as suppose t. So we have A, then AT, then AT square, and so on. Now it has been given that the pth term of the geometric progression is equal to x. Now we know that this x can be written in the format a t to the power p minus 1, and similarly we can write that y is equal to a t to the power q minus 1, and we can write z is equal to a t to the power r minus 1. Now if we take log, so that will imply that if we take log of x, so log of x will be equal to log of a plus p minus 1 into we can say log of t. Similarly we'll have log of y will be equal to log of a plus q minus 1 log of t, and then we'll also have log of z is equal to log of a plus r minus 1 into log of t. So these are the equations that we'll be getting. So now therefore now let us find out the value of q minus r into log of x. So this will be q minus r into log of a plus q minus r into p minus 1 into log of t. So this will ultimately give us q minus r into log of a plus pq minus q minus rp minus r, and this will be equal to log of t. So if we add all these terms, the terms that we have been given, q minus r into log of x plus r minus p into log of y plus p minus q into log of z, so this will ultimately give us, if we take log a common, so this will give us q minus r plus r minus p plus p minus q. This is the first part, and the second part will be q minus r into p minus 1 plus r minus p into q minus 1 plus p minus q into r minus 1, and this entire thing will be multiplied to log of t. As you can see over here, q and minus q will cancel, p will cancel, minus p will cancel, and r and minus r will cancel. So we have 0 into log of a, so we ultimately have 0 over here. And now we are concerned with only this part. So now you can see over here, if you multiply this entire thing, so this will be pq minus q minus rp plus r. This is the first part, and the second part will be qr minus r minus pq plus p, and then we have rp minus p minus qr plus q, and this entire thing will be multiplied to log of t. So as you can see over here, pq and minus pq cancel, minus q and plus q cancel, minus rp plus rp cancel, plus r minus r plus q or minus p plus p, all these things cancel out. Ultimately we have 0 into log of t, and ultimately the answer is equal to 0. which is, as you can see in the options, that is the option A. So option A over here, option A over here is the correct option. So today we have solved question number 56. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Thank you very much.